Hi everyone! Today we are putting this old school AMD PC to the ultimate test. After sitting in a storage for over 20 years, will it actually power on and post? Stick around because this retro beast might just surprise us. I spotted a 1GB hard drive inside, plus all 4 RAM slots are filled. So I'm guessing we've got maybe 16 or 32 megs memory in here. Let's fire it up and see what happens. And around the back, we've got all the classics from the 90s. The old standard 5-pin keyboard connector, a printer port, a COM port for the mouse, and VGA for video output. Unfortunately, no sound card in this one. Alright, moment of truth. Will it post? Yes, it does! We got alive here after 20 years in the storage. But, oh, not so fast. It doesn't boot into any OS. And it just keeps restarting itself. Looks like we got a serious troubleshooting ahead. Let's try to install MS-DOS on it. And listen to the old floppy disk noise. Isn't it wonderful? That crunchy grinding sound is pure 90s nostalgia. Let me know in the comments. When was the last time you heard this lovely sound? What I really love about these old PCs from early 90s is how simple they were. You didn't need hundreds of cables or adapters, just plug the monitor, keyboard and power. That's it. You're ready to go. No complicated setup, no drivers to fight with. Alright, MS-DOS is now installed. Time for a restart. Let's see how this old beast handles new OS after years. Fingers crossed. It boots right into DOS without any hiccups. Oh my god, what's that? Invalid handle, really? And now the floppy doesn't work either. I swear, this must be some kind of alien computer from the 90s. So folks, after swapping the power supply, replacing all the RAM, and doing a deep dive inspection, guess what I found? The bloody processor was sitting wrong in the socket. I never seen anything like this in my life. But hey, lucky me, the old socket 7 still works and the CPU survived. And now it's finally alive. So let's fire it up to test some Formula racing game and retro style. Great, all is fine now. I've got a lovely almost 30 years old PC working again. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this retro adventure, consider supporting the channel. Maybe buy me a coffee to keep this old machine alive. And stick around, because in my next video I'll be installing Doom on this machine to see if it can actually handle it. Just like we did back in 1993. You don't want to miss that one. It's going to be a proper retro challenge. See you there!